The industrial lemon green ultra-giant and long mining dump trucks move through production, from raw steel to painted chassis, cabins, engines, electronics, and interiors, all coming alive under the factory's bright light. 1,000 industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining dump trucks stand ready. Welcome to NextForge, where the industrial lemon green ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 begins its journey. Raw steel arrives for the industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026. Reinforced beams take their structural form. Every frame piece aligns perfectly for the industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026. Precision cutting shapes the chassis foundations. Every seam is examined meticulously. Heavy-duty suspension mounting ensures durability. Axle components are crafted with perfect precision. Power transmission takes shape. The heart of the industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 is formed. Precision machining prepares the engine core. Heavy load drivetrain assemblies take shape. Macro, high-impact mechanical detail. Bright, clean lighting built for extreme torque and durability. Hydraulic systems prepared for massive lifting power. Mining haul truck 2026 backbone is complete. Structural strength is maximized. Visibility panels installed with exact alignment. Surface refinement ensures perfection. Digital inspection confirms every alignment. Multiple industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 chassis await assembly. Multiple industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 chassis await assembly. Foundations are ready for the next stage of assembly. Operator cabin structure secured for safety. Pistons are carefully inserted, bringing the industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 engine to life. Crankshaft alignment ensures smooth power delivery. Boost systems prepared for ultimate torque. The heart of the industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 is secured in place. Drivetrain components synchronized with precision. Axles provide stability for 12 giant tires. Six perfectly aligned giant tires grip the frame on the left side. 12 aligned giant tires. Braking systems are precisely installed for safety. Ultra-tall suspension calibrated to perfection. Ultra-tall suspension calibrated to perfection. Hydraulic lifting systems are connected. Fuel storage is securely mounted for operational reliability. Electrical systems are precisely routed for efficiency. Driver controls are fitted with care in the industrial lemon green 797F Ultra Class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 cabin. Seats are installed with ergonomic precision. Dump bed mounted and secured for extreme load. All essential fluids filled for operation. All electronic systems are verified and calibrated. All glass panels aligned perfectly. Primer lays the foundation for flawless paint. Gloss and protection are added layer by layer. The paint to mirror finish. Final polishing reveals deep industrial lemon green shine. Every detail of the industrial lemon green 797F Ultra Class 12-tire mining haul truck 2026 is displayed with precision. From front grille to headlights, perfection is visible. The industrial lemon green Ultra Class 12-tire mining dump truck 2026 roars to life. Final cabin wiring is secured with precision. Control systems are calibrated for maximum operational accuracy. Steering components are locked into position. Cabin sealing is verified for durability and protection. Exterior surfaces are detailed to perfection. All 12 giant tires are secured and aligned flawlessly. Hydraulic lifting system operates with controlled power. Extreme suspension system absorbs simulated heavy loads. Braking systems are pressure tested for safety. Undercarriage components pass final inspection. Undercarriage components pass final inspection. Quality control grants final factory approval. The industrial lemon green ultra giant and long mining dump truck 2026 stands complete. A mirror-like shine completes the detailing process. Ready for deployment. Initial movement confirms drivetrain precision. Steering response is smooth and controlled.
Twelve giant aligned tires, ultra-long reinforced chassis, and extreme suspension define its dominance. It conquers the rugged terrain, kicking up dust, symbolizing the relentless power of industry.
12 giant aligned tires. This mechanical giant powers through the rugged terrain, a symbol of industrial strength. Massive torque delivers unstoppable climbing power. High-capacity dump bed engineered for heavy-duty performance. The industrial lemon green 797F ultra-class 12-tire pony truck engineered for power, built for the world's toughest environments.